Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to install the fuel filter kit for the F30 and F31. It's going to be the same thing. That's the 328D sedan or wagon. So we're going to take these bolts off the car. Going to reinstall them loosely. Don't tighten them up till we're done later. We're going to take this length of hose. I intentionally made it longer than you need, and it's just so you can fish it through where you need to. I'm going to come underneath this ECU wire over the coolant hose there, and I'm just going to try to do a straight shot back, and then I'm going to lift the car up and you'll see what we did from the bottom. Alright, so we're under the car and I've taken the belly pan off. The hose that I just stuck down here from the top side is conveniently coming down right through here. We're going to disconnect this line from the fuel filter. You're going to need some sort of pick or something like that. There's a lock right here. I'm going to pull down. That releases the lock. This is probably going to make a little bit of a mess, but then from the top side I'm squeezing down and twisting. That comes off. It's not too much mess. We're going to put that new fuel line directly onto the fuel filter. We're going to back this stock fuel line out, and we're going to redirect it to the top of the car. See, I pulled it toward me, and now I'm going to twist it and send it right back up to the top. Alright, so now we're up top side. You can see that stock fuel line. I'm going to grab it, pull it across. We're going to connect it to the fuel filter. Just clips in, and then you push the lock in place. Ta-da! Now this fuel line that's too long, you're going to cut it to size, put the clamp on it, and then you're all done after you tighten up these two bolts. Absolutely make sure you prime the car with Pro Tool or ISTA or any other tool that can make that low pressure pump come on. If you don't do that, you might ruin your engine.